Today I'm going to be doing a DIY trick-or-treating bag. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It looks like a pig's nose. It looks like it has a pig nose. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Eliana's Art for Kids. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY trick-or-treating bag. And today I'm going to be vlogging with my brother. Where is he? Here I am! This is my brother, Adam. And also, forget to subscribe, and click if you want to watch more videos. You have to click the red. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when we post a new video. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Now, let's get started. We're going to be using fabric markers and a pillowcase. So we're going to draw on it. Go. I don't know what to open this. My mom's opening it. Also, you're going to need something to put inside of the pillowcase so that it doesn't bleed through, so that it doesn't get on the back. We're going to use cardboard. You get that color? I'm going to make a unicorn.
I'm going to make a pumpkin.
And I'm going to make something on the other side. I'm going to make a witch on the other side. Make sure you don't get it on your clothes.
Mommy, look. I make the one that had a big eyeball. Make sure to not get it on your clothes because it's hard to get off your clothes in a dishwasher. What is it called again? Your clothes?
The washer.
The washer.
Oh my goodness, I drew such a cute eye.
Get it straight. So was it bleeding? You say, was it bleeding? Let me turn your drawing on then. Do you know why I draw you?
Why?
Because I'm your nice brother.
He gave me chicken pox.
I don't think those are chicken pox.
He did. He told me that they were chicken pox.
I thought he said dimples.
Oh, you're right, dimples. All around your face.
Are you ready to see the trick-or-treat bags?
Ta-da!
So, this is one of the ends.
Ta-da! And ta-da!
The other end.
Up there, upside down.
I don't really like my unicorn.
I
It
love
looks
it.
like a pig's nose. It looks like it has a pig nose.
It's cute.
Now let me see.
The eyes are cute to you, aren't they? And
It's very cute.
I did a lot of detail on this one.
Pumpkin
I
T-Rex,
thought my unicorn
Pumpkin
was gonna look
Spinosaurus, and Pumpkin
That
Jason, Mom, and Dad.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button and you can add strings to it. I don't know what to say. Until next time, bye.
Bye.
Peace. Peace.
We need paper.
No, we don't. Hold on.
Wait, we draw on the table?
No, you're gonna draw on the pillowcase. So you're gonna say,
Yeah. we don't know how to open because click another like button to watch. Take care. Watch. If you want to watch another video, you have to click 2 blue buttons. And click another button if you want to do Blippi watching songs that we are going to sing it.
Okay, hold on.
Video.